Today, I'm going to teach you how to make a new branch in GitHub. This is essential when you want to work on new features or experiments without affecting your main codebase, giving you a safe space to develop and test changes independently. First, open your web browser and head over to github.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Enter your username and password to access your account. This step gets you into your GitHub dashboard where all your repositories and projects are stored. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your dashboard. Look over to the left panel where you'll see a list of your repositories. Navigate through this list and click on the repository where you want to create your new branch. Selecting the right repository is crucial because this is where your new branch will live and where you'll be making your changes. After opening your chosen repository, direct your attention back to the left panel. Here, you'll notice a button labeled Main. This represents your main branch, which is typically the default branch of your repository. Click on this Main button, and a drop-down menu will appear showing you various options. From this menu, select View All Branches. This action will take you to a page that displays all the existing branches in your repository, giving you a complete overview of your project's branch structure. Now that you're viewing all branches, look towards the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see a button labeled New Branch. Click on this button to begin the process of creating your new branch. A text field will appear, prompting you to enter a name for your new branch. Choose a descriptive name that clearly indicates the purpose of this branch, whether it's for a new feature, a bug fix, or an experimental change. This naming convention helps keep your workflow organized and makes it easier for collaborators to understand what each branch is for. After entering your branch name in the text field, click on Create New Branch. GitHub will process this request and create your new branch based on the current state of the branch you are viewing. Your new branch is now ready, providing you with an isolated environment where you can make changes without impacting the main branch or any other branches in your repository. And there you have it. You've successfully created a new branch in GitHub, setting yourself up for organized and efficient development work. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.